Okay, I'm gonna try to talk very quietly here. I'm filming a little nature break in the backyard. There's a mommy deer down there with a baby. There seems to be one missing. And I have a question, and maybe someone out there knows the answer. Down where these deers are having their little breakfast are a bunch of tree stumps that I've ground down. And I don't know what it is about those tree stumps, but they like to eat something down there. They kick it all up, dig it up, and there must be something down there they like to chew on. I don't know what that could be. And I know you can't see it from here because I can barely see it. But that's what they're doing. Those little brown patches are what's left of the stumps. So I'm up on the second level here, looking out over the porch. And like I said, I noticed there seems to be a fawn missing. She normally has two. One's gone. Who knows what happened? And this is me just taking a little bit of a nature break. Having a brief moment of some relaxation. And just enjoying life out here in the country. And ironically, of all places for the deer to hang out, they're hanging out down at the gun ranch. Pretty funny. So hopefully, someday here in the future, I may get some chickens and maybe a few other animals. Hopefully, if I get some help around here someday. But predators are a problem out here when you live in the woods. If you have chickens and small animals like that running around, they come under attack from hawks and possums and raccoons and snakes. Snakes will tear them up pretty good, believe it or not. And the list goes on and on. So without trying to bore you to death, let's see if I can get a little closer. I'm just taking a little break with a cup of coffee and watching a deer stroll by. They're probably about 200, 250 feet away. Again, I'm up right off the deck, looking out the sliding glass door, trying not to scare these little guys away. Because if they just catch one glimpse of me, they're gone. And I'm just sharing a little nature break here out in the woods of Middle Tennessee. For what it's worth, hope you enjoy. That's it. See ya.